Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Mandela Highway and we are going to give you an update on the Portmore access ramp from Mandela. Now a lot of developments are taking place in Kingston and Portmore. A lot are taking place off Mandela Highway. Some major warehouses, special economic zones, commercial complexes, a lot of developments are taking place. But the most important one is the building of an access ramp from this road we're looking at, Mandela Highway, the busiest road in Jamaica, into Portmore. Now, it takes way too long during the rush hour times to get from Kingston to Portmore. Way too long. It's a waste of time. So the government is putting in a 4-lane access ramp from Mandela that will take you all the way into Portmore. And that should be a game changer. Now, when that is built, the commuters will save so much time. They haven't started yet, but they're to start soon because it's a part of the CapEx program. And the funds are already allocated for the program. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The proposed Portmore access ramp from Mandela Highway is one of the most anticipated infrastructure projects in the St. Catherine metropolitan region. Designed to significantly reduce the chronic traffic congestion experienced by Portmore residents, particularly during evening peak hours. This access ramp forms part of the Jamaica's government's broader effort to improve connectivity support, economic expansion, and prepare Portmore for its eventual designation as the 15th parish. As the city continues to grow in population and strategic importance, the ramp project is both timely and transformative. Each day, tens of thousands of commuters make their way from Kingston to Spanish Town into Portmore via the Mandela Highway and Dyke Road corridor. The existing road configuration funnels high volumes of traffic into a single congested intersection at Dyke Road and George Lee Boulevard. By early evening, what should be a 10 to 15 minute drive from Kingston can stretch into an hour-long ordeal. This congestion undermines productivity, affects fuel consumption, and contributes to road stress and environmental emissions. The current system simply does not have the capacity to handle the daily demand, with Portmore's rapid urbanization, including new residential schemes, commercial centers, and logistics infrastructure. An upgraded, more efficient entrance was inevitable. To resolve this, the Government of Jamaica, through the National Works Agency, has advanced a two-phase project to create a new 1.7 kilometer access ramp from Mandela Highway directly into George Lee Boulevard, bypassing Dyke Road entirely. Phase 1. Construction of a 2-lane elevated access ramp originating from Mandela Highway. Installation of a new 120-meter bridge across the Rio Cobre River designed to accommodate future expansion. Widening of Dyke Road to 3 lanes between George Lee Boulevard and Gregory Park. Replacement of existing roundabouts with signalized intersections to improve flow and safety. Phase 2. Construction of a grade-separated overpass at Dyke Road, removing conflicts between through traffic and local movements. Widening over 3 kilometers of roadway from George Lee Boulevard to Grange Lane, complete with pedestrian infrastructure, lighting, and modern signage. Together, these upgrades aim to reduce afternoon travel times into Portmore from 45 minutes to just 15 minutes, while increasing peak traffic capacity from 1,200 to 3,000 vehicles per hour. This represents a radical improvement in both efficiency and quality of life for Portmore residents. Alright, guys, so that is the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.